Hey guys, Jeff here, and in this video I'm going to talk about one of the most iconic mobile devices of the 2000s, the Danger HipTop, aka T-Mobile Sidekick. In 8 short years, it defined a generation of smartphones and introduced features that are still industry standard today. And Danger was founded by a former Apple employee. He created the Sidekick and then left to start a new mobile company, which he called Android. Yes, that Android. Wow. Wow. The Sidekick was more formally known as the Danger HipTop because it was kind of a laptop that you wear on your hip. I guess that's how we wore phones a long time ago. It was branded as the Sidekick by T-Mobile in the US and produced by Danger Inc. from 2002 to 2010. It blew up almost immediately because it was the first mobile device to be marketed specifically to young people. So you mean no one knew that young people would like phones? I'm gonna let that sink in for a minute. At the time, Palm Pilots, Blackberries, and two-way pagers represented the majority of the smartphone market, and they were all clunky devices aimed at business users. Danger noticed that a lot of non-business users were buying these phones simply to surf the web, chat, and play games. And they guessed that there would be a large enough market to justify a phone targeted specifically at the young casual user. This guess proved to be spot on, and it soon became hugely popular among teens and 20-somethings because it had no real competitors at the time. It not only looked cool with a flip-out screen that rotated to reveal a keyboard, but it also had tons of social features that young people were begging for. Texting, instant messaging, games, and a full web browser all came standard. And after the rise of social media in the mid-2000s, Twitter, MySpace, and Facebook applications were also added. It also became the go-to mobile device for young celebrities, including Paris Hilton, Kim Kardashian, and Snoop Dogg. Over the next few years, the Sidekick received regular updates to both hardware and software, evolving with the needs of its customer base. Features like a sleeker design, better camera, and built-in music player only increased the phone's appeal over time. In June of 2006, a competing phone was released that began to chip away at the Sidekick's market share. Oh, crap. Damn. Yes, the iPhone had an even sleeker design, faster internet, and many of the same social features that had made the Sidekick so popular. Over the next 2 years, it quickly lost market share to the iPhone, until finally in 2008, it was purchased by Microsoft for $500 million. And that same year, Android was also introduced, which further dug into the Sidekick's market share, and Microsoft wasn't in the position to help them make a comeback. In 2011, they made one final attempt by introducing a completely new Sidekick running Android, but by this time the damage had already been done. The Sidekick's swivel design made it too bulky, and consumers were no longer interested in a phone with a keyboard. The Android Sidekick was the last model ever produced, and Microsoft quietly phased out the device. Cancelled, but certainly not forgotten. As always, my name is Jeff. Thank you for joining me, and please hit the like button if you found this video interesting. Hey guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you have an idea for a future topic, please leave it in the comments.